Guys, we're here in beautiful old San Juan, Puerto Rico. We're about to test out the new Reto camera. It comes like this, packaged. I think this is a new version of the VELDA, or also wide angle camera it used to be back in the day. Let's test it out. Let's just go enjoy and take a couple photos. I wanted to shoot a black and white roll and a color roll, and I didn't have any rolls on me. So huge thanks to Adriana Isabel for actually having an extra one, because yeah, we weren't gonna be able to shoot that day. So I mean, we did so much walking. I think at the end of the day I checked and it was like 6 miles or 5 miles, something like that. I don't know, a lot of stuff kind of started out with the wrong foot. This is like a pigeon park, but they had like this big like event there, so all the pigeons were just like on top of that small building. This is something I've seen like in Old San Juan. It's been there for years. Thought it would be cool to take a photo and see like how wide or how close I could get, which is, I think, like the whole purpose of this video, is just to show how close can you get to stuff. I mean, 22 is pretty wide. We had to make a small little pit stop to eat, have a couple drinks, midday. Adriana's zipper was broken. So yeah, shenanigans. So this is when it actually starts getting a little bit tricky. Like I got super like big fingers, and I mean sausage fingers. I'm a pretty big guy. I should have taken Lucy's advice for this.
Bruh.
Sundays are pretty, I mean, people go out to drink, especially on a super nice day like this. They're definitely known to be a little bit partiers. This super like known, just, I don't know if you can call it the ghetto, it's called La Perla. Super beautiful. I was searching for a guy who was like selling these ice creams, and I was looking because I know there's plenty of them like inside Old San Juan, but this guy was
una foto aquí rapidito.
It wasn't about it.
No, usted ahí literal.
Es muy feo.
Took the photo either way. It's funny how Old San Juan is like not that big. I mean, it's Puerto Rico's an island, but I mean, Old San Juan is just like a small little island next to the island. I don't know if that makes any sense. Yeah, this is like one of the oldest cemeteries. I'm pretty sure. Oh, that's a fact. Like maybe first cemetery. This guy was crazy. I think this turned out to be like my favorite photo. It was closed down, so we decided to, I mean, at least I decided to jump the fence Adriana wasn't having it.
Jump it, jump it.
I don't know. I don't think a lot of people are into. I mean, it's not like I'm into the cemetery. It's just I thought it'd be cool to take a couple photos, especially this one. Like on the other side, there's a whole bunch of kids just flying their kites. I thought it'd be like a cool little contrast. I know my way through Old San Juan pretty well, but I have never been to this place. This is a hotel where like they had literally a piano playing, like it played on its own. Super sick place. I don't know, I think I enjoy this place like the most. Like it was getting a little bit dark. Photos didn't come out like I wanted them to, but overall it's like a new spot I know now, and I really want to go again and take more photos. And just like any other like rest of the Sunday, I mean, we just chilled and have a couple drinks.